What is going on today, guys? We are back with another closing people in DMs video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. These are fun as shit. Also, if you want to land your first paying client next 30 days, first link in the bio, and you want to get good sales skills like me, I give you all my scripts and all that in the program. So first link in the bio, go grab it. Okay. Now, this was a person who has hit me up multiple times in the past, never really took action, right? I'm going to obviously have a lot of this blurred out for privacy reasons, his name and all these people to the left. So he DM'd me mentor. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should click the link in the description as well. Follow me on IG. I do a private mentorship where it's $2,000. They pay $500 a week. They get one call a week with me. So they don't even pay up front. They pay $500 a week for 4 weeks and they get to get that one-on-one mentorship. Okay. So he DMs me. I send them this message. I give them the rundown, right? I just go right to price off these because of my brand. And also, I just give them the price because I give them the unique angle of, hey, you don't have to pay up front. So sell a course. I'm like, no courses. I do coaching. Okay, appreciate the offer. I'll reach out. Okay. Then yesterday, he hits me up. Do you know anybody who does closers and appointment setters? I'm like, we fucking do. We place appointment setter people business. He's like, wow, you're impressive. Like how we do a lot, man. My CFO hires them. We have scripts, blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, hence why I run this X agency, coach people, and they pay for it. I don't need to sell myself. People DM me and say, send me invoice. I'm in. You're an inspiration. Yeah, I need to act. And I'm like, no shit. You have a kid, it looks like. Set an example. I would never have kids unless I could be someone they look up to, not someone who can't take action on things. It's embarrassing. Says, I agree. Obviously, like I said, for privacy reasons, like I'm covering this person's name, but I'm using this to really help you guys understand how to close, right? You need to go through the infatuations of like what things in their life they want to change, bro. And most of the time it's they're taking on obligations they don't want. I'm like, well, then how do we move forward? Are we running away or moving forward? You want the coaching and appointment setter in the moment of silence lets us all know the answer. It's all the same, man. I'm broke, so you're to take action. Let me think about it. You're the in or out. And I just go at a hammer at home. I don't have a concrete service. I'm willing to learn. I would love to get I would love and get passionate to help others, businesses scale. Like, I don't want to do what I want to do. And I'm like, yes, I'll find the money. So now it's the money problem. We know it's the money. I go over Google Ads, your offer, etc. Find the money. You don't have $500. It's weekly payments, bro. If you have a kid and afford $500 a week for 4 weeks, you don't need a business. You need financial literacy, dude. If you are an adult and you can't come up with $500 a week, you should be fucking embarrassed. Okay, the pay and don't waste both of our time signing up, right? He signs up, he sent me the screenshot, dope. And I'm like, dude, and for the appointment setter, if it makes sense, I says, yes, if you're handling the leads. He says he was too busy with work. And I'm like, okay, well, we need to get one. Okay. And then I sent him the leads of Tori because we're using the same strategy that Tori used. And Tori's getting all these book calls. This guy works all day. He can't handle. I'm like, all right, sounds like a plan. Done. And then I charge his card for that. So it's like we were able to take the person from not having money to having money and then to having more money. So it's like you need to hit the right infatuation. You be able to sell people on emotion. Like, and also motivate the fuck out of people. This is not just manipulation. It's not manipulation. It is motivating and helping people and in their path, helping them go from A to Z. That's your job as a salesperson, as an agency owner. You need to be able to do those things because pushing people to their limit is what gets people on fucking board. Because most people in the world are like, oh, like, just do whatever you want. I'll get back to you tomorrow. Like, no, they're gone. They're buying something else. And the crazy part about it is that he wound up buying the $97 course in my bio the morning after. I woke up and he fucking bought it. So like, dude, you need to understand the infatuation will get people to buy. So hope this helps. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video.